Do you know about the token of digital arms? If not, then I will tell you about this token today. And I will also tell you why should you have this token. Hunter token is a cryptocurrency token built on the Binance Smart Chain. It is the token of digital arms. And it is the token that will be used throughout the digital arms platform to purchase and sell NFTs, as well as to access other platform features. HNTR, which is known as Hunter token, is expected to be listed on a decentralized exchange by Q4 of 2021. The Hunter token circulating supply is highly unlikely to ever reach a market capitalization of 1 billion due to the burned features implemented and further discussed. Tokens are divisible up to 8 decimal places. But why it is on Binance Smart Chain? Let me tell you about it. It is Ethereum virtual machine compatible, meaning it is interoperable with existing Ethereum wallets. Being a sidechain, it has lower transaction fees than the Ethereum main chain. In comparison to other EVM sidechains, Binance Smart Chain has the most adoption. Digital arms will set up on-chain and off-chain liquidity pools, which will allow users to provide liquidity for the Hunter token, whilst earning rewards. Liquidity pools will help facilitate the ecosystem and allow community members and merchants to exist their Hunter token position if they so choose. The HNTR token will be used to facilitate the digital arms ecosystem. Interactions with the digital arms ecosystem will require the use of the token. There are many implementations of HNTR token, like firearm NFTs. The digital arms community can use their HNTR to purchase firearm NFTs. Digital arms NFT owners will be able to purchase accessories for their firearms, as described throughout this. Facilitate the resale of their NFTs to other users via the Digital Arms online marketplace. Ecosystem for users to list and sell hunting related goods at reduced fees. More transparent transactions and token incentives. Hunting firearm store merchants can accept HNTR as payment for their advertising digital arms ecosystem or elsewhere using HNTR tokens. Game developers can pay using HNTR to request firearm NFTs to be created, which will be interoperable with their games. HNTR may also be integrated in-game to allow gamers to transact. Ecosystem to facilitate the safari hunting industry, allowing for faster bookings, faster payments, transparent transactions and token incentives. There will be the use of HNTR token. NFTs are a class of assets of this economy. A non-fungible token is a class of digital assets that exist online, has unique properties and is managed in a digital ledger. This new digital asset class is also a new digital product that executive leaders should integrate into their future digital business strategies because this is something that people and the community enjoy.